I'm thrilled to share my experience with the Some by Me Beta Panthenol Repair Body Cream, which is newly launched, has revolutionized my skincare routine. This incredible cream has exceeded my expectations, providing unparalleled hydration and repair for my skin. It leaves skin feeling soft, supple, and silky smooth, keep my skin moisturized. It reduces inflammation and protects against environmental stressors. Promotes collagen production and cell turnover for a more youthful appearance. It has standout ingredients. Contains panthenol, a powerhouse humectant that retains moisture and soothes irritated skin. Has beta-sitosterol, maintains skin elasticity and firmness. Also has squalane, natural moisturizer that protects against water loss. It is non-comedogenic, perfect for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Fragrance-free and essential oil-free to minimize irritation. Formulated with antioxidants to combat free radicals and promote healthy skin. My experience. After using this cream for a while, I noticed significant improvements in my skin's texture and appearance. My skin feels hydrated, smooth, and supple, even in dry environments. The cream absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. I've also seen a reduction in inflammation and redness. The Some by Me Beta Panthenol Repair Body Cream is a game changer for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective moisturizer. Its impressive blend of ingredients, led by panthenol, provides long-lasting hydration and repair. Whether you have dry, sensitive, or acne-prone skin, this cream is a must-try. If you're looking for a reliable, non-irritating body cream that delivers exceptional results, look no further. Give the Some by Me Beta Panthenol Repair Body Cream a try. Your skin will thank you.